Yeah. I want to go do that again. Yeah, no, that's hard, especially for children.
Can you call River? Okay, never mind. They sorted it out. Yeah. Brain today. We're going to be a natural at this, okay?
All puppies go play.
Okay. I put this in the speaker. How's it going there, kid?
As we strolled home together, I just wondered whether I could win you forever if I tried. Then in love suggested.
Our thing would. Yeah, that's why I have to take it out of this. There you go. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Sit. Very sit. Hey. Sit. Sit. Stay. Stay. No. Oh.
Bex, sit. Sit. Good girl. Stay. Stay.
Okay, you gotta make these guys move.
Stay. Bex, stay.
Stay.
Good girl. Stay. Good girl.
Nobody wants to play?
Stay. Stay. Good girl. Stay.
Everyone's staying. Look at them.
Good girl. Stay.
I would aim. I don't know. I'm not gonna.
Stay.
Come on, you guys. Jump.
Girl. Stay. Oh,
No, that's too well
Oh,
trained.
well, good job, Sam. Come on. Oh, no, not gonna work. He's got to
They're too well trained, these guys.
Okay, I guess in fairness, I have to say that Sam is out because I can't keep them all seated forever.
Do what they're doing.
As we strolled home together, I just wondered whether.
On the way.
Now, can you lure one of the other ones out of the sit, Shelley?
Never move, will you? Who wants to play? Who wants a treat?
Keep trying, keep trying. She's still in the down. So.
Uh-oh. Sit. Stay. She's like, oh, I want a treat. I want a treat. No, stay. 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 Good girl. Stay. Let's see what Marcel's doing. Stay. Good boy, stay. 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 Good girl. Stay. Stay. Look at you.
Oh, he's off. Okay, I think we have to.
Paintball balloon the next month. Good work, Bex. Yeah.
And you'll want to watch whichever one of them makes that chair. You'll want to watch the other person try and lure. They know how to do it.
Yeah, for sure. Okay, let's watch and learn here.
Yeah, I mean, it's interesting to see these two guys go for it.
Stay.
Oh,
they
oh.
Marcel, sit. Marcel, stay. Marcel. Oh, you said his name.
Used his name.
I did. You can put him back. Stay. Stay. Sit. Stay.
You better put Marcel back in his stay, Joan.
Trying to get him out of the...
Now.
Kixx, stay. Stay.
Marcel's up again. Okay, I think we have to declare Kixx the winner.